Jonathan.
Park Central. You know.
Park Central, look at this. Pretty nice place. There's apartments over there. That's the main office. Doesn't that look much better than Hidden Creek? So Jonathan, tell me about yourself.
Well, I'm Jonathan. You know how we do. Park Central, working out.
Yay! Where are we going now?
We're going to a pool right now.
Nice, nice.
Swim.
Is the pool nice? Oh, look at the nice ladies.
Hi, girl. Oh, my bad. Sorry.
What the fuck are you talking about? Do you know them?
Nope.
Nice, he doesn't know them at all. Nice.
I guess they're bisexual or something.
And probably.
Probably.
Alright, I see you're playing game. I never saw you playing game before. What? How you feel? And we even caught it on tape.
Yep. Everything for the camera.
Do you think those two people are gay?
They probably is too.
They probably are. They probably are. Oh wow. Well,
they started just chasing us. I'm not gay.
Alright then
Oh yeah, and there is the basketball goal.
Yeah, we saw that already. Look at that. They don't have the time for everyone to see.
Yep.
We'll record back when we're at the pool.
Yep.
Holla.
Hello.